Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Humble Homestead Life. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 things that I have changed in my daily routine that is non-toxic. In my last video of becoming toxic free, the backstory, I explained why our family is going toxic free, and then in these upcoming videos I wanted to share with you things that we are doing to reduce our toxic load. Things that I have changed in my daily habit, and I love them, and I will probably never go back to using store-bought items. The first one is a face moisturizer. So I have very sensitive skin, and it's very hard for me to find a face moisturizer that doesn't break me out and cause rashes or anything like that. So this is just coconut oil that I bought from Costco. I went ahead and put it in my KitchenAid mixer. I whipped it for a few minutes, placed it in a glass jar, and I use it every day and every night. And I love it. It's just straight coconut oil, which coconut oil has so many benefits to your body, and so that is what I use for my moisturizer on my face. The second one that I changed is my deodorant. Now, I've always tried to use deodorant, store-bought deodorant that was aluminum free, because I know aluminum is not good for you. And for the longest time, I was actually using doTERRA deodorant, but for some reason my armpits started rashing up and itching really bad. Even though that was aluminum free and a natural deodorant, there were maybe just some things in there. The essential oils they used didn't set well with my skin. So I decided to try Humble deodorant. My mom actually introduced me to this because I was trying to make my own homemade deodorant, which worked for a little while. But it just, same thing, was giving me some rashes. And so my mom introduced me to Humble. I love it. It's simple ingredients. It's aluminum free. Some of the ingredients are MCT oil, cornstarch, baking soda, beeswax, let's see, linalool, and some essential oils. It's pretty basic, and this has worked really well for me. I don't smell at all, and I don't have any rashes or any issues. So that is item number 2. I've changed my deodorant. The third one is my toothpaste. I no longer buy regular toothpaste because toothpaste has all kinds of ingredients in it that I don't know. And a lot of your toothpaste, cosmetics, lotions, sunscreens, things like that, they have a chemical called titanium dioxide, and that actually is cancer causing, and so I am avoiding that at all costs. And it's literally, it's in everything. So I really have eliminated a lot of my, I don't wear makeup unless it's homemade. Because titanium dioxide is in everything. I do believe that they even put it in milk. It's like a preservative to keep things white. And don't quote me on this, but do your own research on titanium dioxide. But I do believe that if an item says natural flavors, it actually could have titanium dioxide in it. And it's a way that they can get by with putting it in an item but not actually stating what it is. But, you know, don't quote me on that. I believe I've read that somewhere in my research on titanium dioxide. I highly recommend you guys go look it up for yourself and educate yourself. Let me get my cat. Come here. This is Axel. He likes to get up. He's attacking the flies that go around my camera, so I can't get anything done. Anyways, the next item is my toothpaste. So yes, my toothpaste, I no longer use store-bought toothpaste. Even the natural toothpaste that they have on the market have chemicals that are not good for you. And so I decided to nix my Colgate toothpaste because it's literally just poison. It just is made of nothing but chemicals, and you know, fluoride's really bad for you. It actually deteriorates your teeth more. But you know, the dentists always want to put fluoride on your teeth, and it's in your toothpaste, and it's in the water, and it's just not good for you. So I make tooth powder. It's very simple. I actually just made some. It's a couple spoonfuls of baking soda, about a quarter teaspoon of salt. I use pink Himalayan salt, and then whatever essential oil you would like. I use peppermint and about 10 to 15 drops. You can use cinnamon, you could use wild orange. I use doTERRA essential oils because of their certification process, and they are safe to ingest. I've been using these for over 8 years and we've never had an issue with them, so I'll use the doTERRA if I'm going to be ingesting it. And so that's what I put in here. You could also use a packet of stevia. You could put a quarter teaspoon of stevia in this just to sweeten it a little bit, because it does kind of have a salty taste to it, but that doesn't bother me because I just know it makes me really happy to know that there's only 3 ingredients in this and that they are safe. So tooth powder is number 3. So tooth powder, deodorant, face moisturizer, these are the 3 things that I have changed for my daily habits to reduce my toxic load. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, God bless.